Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting in the app now. Open Google Maps and sign in so your preferences and history sync. Once signed in, grant location permission and make sure device GPS is on for precise positioning. Tap the search bar and type an address or place name, or press and hold the map to drop a pin if you don't have an exact string. This gets you an active map view and immediate options, directions, save or share, so you can move to routing without delay. Once you have a place selected, tap directions and confirm your starting point, which can be current location or a typed address. Choose driving, walking, transit, or cycling. Each mode changes route suggestions. Make sure to tap the three-dot menu for route options to avoid tolls or highways and to add multiple stops if you're running errands. You can switch map layers to satellite or terrain and enable live traffic or transit info to see delays and estimated arrival changes before you go. Begin navigation and follow voice guidance and lane suggestions. The app updates ETA in real time as traffic shifts. If you'll lose signal, download the area for offline use and save important places, or share your ETA with contacts for safety. If directions are wrong or the app stutters, try these quick fixes. Toggle device location off and on, force close and reopen maps, clear the app cache, or install updates. If problems persist, reboot your.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.